Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change your alliance in Whiteout Survival. So first of all, you have to go to your Whiteout Survival and then you have to tap onto the alliance option, show it. You can just simply tap onto your profile icon or alliance option, and from there you can simply go to manage option. Just tap onto manage, and from there you can just leave the alliance you wish to, and then tap on to leave alliance and confirm that you really want to leave that alliance if you have made up your mind. And then here you can see this at the alliance section. You can either create alliance, also you can join alliance. Also there is invite and request option, like the people who have invited you to their alliance, they will show up here. And let's see, you want to join an alliance, you can just simply search up their name, and also you can join. You can simply tap on to join or apply to join their alliance. So this is as simple as that. This is how you can do it. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye. And the alliance option is right here, you can see. Goodbye.